Okay, getting yourself comfortable with an intention to have an open awareness for this meditation. And just keeping your eyes open for a moment. Take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. Feel your whole body expand. Hold. And then release like you're blowing out through a straw. All the way to the very end of the breath. And then pause. And then breathing in, feeling your whole body begin to expand. Pause. And as you breathe out, allow your eyes to gently close, relaxing your face, relaxing your jaw. Follow the breath to the very end. And then pause. Just notice how quiet and still your mind becomes when you're present. And then breathing back in. Body expanding. Pause. Then one big last release as you blow out all the way to the very end. And pause. Stillness and peace automatically available to you. And now just breathing in normally, in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth, whatever is comfortable for you. And I'd like you just to bring your attention now to all the different sounds that are just coming and going within your awareness. Notice that you cannot make a sound last longer than how it appears. It just comes, and then it just goes. Follow each sound as it appears, and then as it disappears or changes within your awareness. And can you just bring your attention to the space between the sounds that's appearing within your awareness? No matter what you're focusing on sound-wise, it's impermanent. Whatever arises within your consciousness, within your awareness, will appear and at some point disappear. Nothing is permanent within your awareness. There are always changes, or it will simply just cease to exist. Now just begin to focus on feelings, sensations. and watch how they change as you continue to observe them. Now focus on your thoughts and just watch what thoughts begin to appear. And as you look and observe, watch what happens until they disappear. If you do become lost in thought, just bring your attention back to becoming the observer of whatever is appearing in your awareness. Now bring to mind any stories or narratives that you have been struggling with recently. And just listen and observe, almost like you are watching the TV or radio. Can you do it objectively with whatever appears inside your mind? Can you notice the impermanence of these stories, of these thoughts, however they're appearing to you? They come and go. How do they feel to you when you're just observing? And if your mind is showing you the thoughts, then who or what is doing the observing? And can you become aware of the awareness that is observing whatever is appearing within your consciousness, within your awareness. How does it feel? What do you notice from being aware of your awareness? You may experience a shift in energy or perspective. And it's worth exploring this awareness, what it feels like, and how it can observe whatever is appearing in your mind. And then when you're ready, give yourself a wonderful inner smile, a surge of gratitude for doing the work with me today. And then bring yourself back to your surroundings. I wonder what you'll take from today's meditation into your day. I wanted to show you the impermanence of your experience, from sounds to feelings to thoughts. No matter what you're experiencing, no matter how it seems, it will pass. And practicing being the observer of the stories of your mind, which often hypnotize you into reacting as if they are reality, is one of the most powerful practices that you can make a regular, non-negotiable habit. I wonder what difference it would make to you to no longer be so attached to what is appearing inside your mind, and you began to filter out as either useful or not. The more you become the observer, the more you begin to awaken and create your life from a more superconscious mind. Let me know in the reviews what you thought of this meditation, and I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.